So it doesn't preclude the opportunity to look at other options. It simply says, if this is an option that's selected.
But giving the project out to bid precludes the opportunity for additional, I mean, unless we're going to waste considerable city resources, time and effort and money, which in this day and age we don't have enough to waste, putting the project out to bid precludes meaningful community input that could result in certain adjustments, which might require changes in the bid specifications. And if you're saying that you can't do that because of the Brooklyn Bridge, you're reaching a conclusion before you've completed the study that you need to reach the conclusion.
That's not at all.
Well, of course that is what you're saying. You say you have to go right away because of the utility work. You have to do the utility work because of the Brooklyn Bridge construction, and you can't have this traffic because of this work done during those weekends because of the flow over the Manhattan Bridge. But P.S., you don't know if there's another way to avoid the traffic problem from the flow over the Brooklyn Bridge because you haven't finished studying the alternatives. And my community and I are asking, why don't we study the alternatives first and then proceed with the bidding?
Right now,
how long will it take you? When will you have the answer as to whether or not you could waive the tolls on the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel to mitigate the impact? When will we know that?
I don't think there's a clear timeline.
Well, that's ridiculous.
And
that's the problem.
We're moving ahead with the schedule that we have because there are a lot of other hypotheticals.
That's not a hypothetical. When will you know? How long does it take to figure out whether or not you could waive the toll on a handful of weekends on the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel, which maybe we should do whether or not we do anything else? I mean, how could you come to this hearing not knowing that information?